All right, you've had an issue with your bike and that code is still showing and you want to get rid of that darn thing. Hang out and I'm going to show you how easy it is to clear the code from your bike. Hello and welcome to Road Rush Nation. I'm Terry, your host here, and thank you so much for stopping by and checking out the channel. If you're a member of the nation, thank you so much. You have no idea what it means to me. And if you'd like to be a member of the nation, it's free. All you need to do is hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming episode. Okay, so you've had an issue with your bike, it threw the code, and now we want to clear that code off of our bike. So I'm going to show you how easy that is step by step. It only takes a couple seconds and it's well worth it, because once you clear the code, you'll be able to, and it may take a little bit as you ride the bike for it to completely clear, but if it comes back, you know you still need to address that issue. But let's go ahead and clear that code. So here we are at my bike. The first thing you're going to want to do, you need to hold your odometer button down. So you hold it down, and at the same time you're holding it down, you're going to turn the ignition on. And then you'll see it comes up and it says DIAG. That's telling you you're in the diagnostic. You're then going to hit the odometer button again, and you'll see it will take you in to your readings for your different sections. So mine says ECM and it says N. If it has an N there, that means there's no codes being thrown. You click it again and you'll see mine says BCM and it says Y. Guess what? That means there's a code in there. So what you'll do is you'll then again hold your reset button down. It will then give you the code. If you'll see, mine has C, which means it's got a current issue going on. So I need to have that address. I can just Google that code and so on. So to clear that code, you hold the reset button down again and it'll say clear. You're all good, you cleared your code. Then you can just hit your odometer reset button again and go through the others and clear them as you would like, or if it says yes and you didn't address it, then you know you've got to go on and take care of that. Well, I hope you found this information helpful for you. Just remember, if you see a C behind the code, that means it's a current issue. If it's an H, that means it's a historical issue. You don't have the problem anymore. Hopefully that's something that you fixed, and that you can just go ahead and clear that. It can take a little bit. After you start riding, you might still see your indicator light being on there that there's a problem, and then it eventually will turn off. If it comes back on, you want to check your codes and see what's going on with your bike. Well, hopefully this helped you out a little bit to know how to clear the codes on your bike. Again, thanks again for stopping by. If you'd like to be a member of the nation, we'd love to have you. And it's free. All you need to do is hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss out on any episodes. Ride safe, and I hope to catch you on the highways.